Welcome to WERKS. Today's video will be the second part in a 4-part series of a DIY turntable display for photography purposes that has 3 3D printed parts, 1 microwave motor, 2 screws which are M5 by 0.8mm by 30mm long and standard M5 nuts, 1 turntable, and 1 rubber band for the wheel. Here's a view of the finished turntable clamp. I designed all the parts using FreeCAD and will make them available on Thingiverse and Things. Here's a screenshot of the turntable clamp in FreeCAD. Here's a screenshot of the drawing process for the turntable clamp in the order that I produced them in FreeCAD, along with a sketch showing dimensions in case you want to try designing your own turntable in FreeCAD. Here's a view of the model in Cura. Here's a view of the printer settings I used in Cura. Here's a view of the time and materials I used in Cura. Here's a view of the finished turntable clamp part. The turntable clamp model was printed with no issues using my Creality CR10 and PLA material. The turntable clamp model printed really well and the parts assembled without issues. You will see a prototype in action in this video and the results turned out pretty well. I have refined the original prototype to overcome some issues such as assembling the clamp to the motor mount with slots for nuts which didn't keep pressure from the wheel on the turntable base. That issue resulted in stalling of the turntable. Here's a speeded up shot of the turntable clamp print. I looked for a DIY turntable and seen some good ones, but none I really liked, so I designed and made my own turntable. Thanks for watching WERKS, and please subscribe, like, and comment.